let's look at installing Greenfoot, which is a different development environment. It's made by the same. Whoop! I should just tell you what's happening. Just Google Greenfoot and then greenfoot.org. It's the same people that make BlueJ, so it'll look like pretty much. Well, actually, it'll look a little bit different, but you'll be familiar with it already, I think. Select which operating system that you have. Install it. Once you get it running, or once you get it installed, then run it. And let's see what pops up. So again, it looks like BlueJ, except for here. I mean, I already created a folder for it, but what you can do is, what did I do? I created a folder called Greenfoot Projects. You can create whatever you want and then put it wherever you want, but let's write a class. Let's do what we've normally been doing. Let's just see what it looks like when we do it in Greenfoot. In Greenfoot, instead of projects, they're called scenarios. New Java scenario, we'll be doing it with Java, not Stride. So the folder that I'm going to put it in is Greenfoot Projects. You can just select from wherever you make a new folder from whatever or on your flash drive. Yeah, and then I guess I already made one that's called Greenfoot Projects. So I'll say, oops, what did I just do? Well, I'm already in my Greenfoot Projects. So that was I created this folder, and then that's what I'm working in. But if you want to make a new class, you use edit new class, and then name it. I'm gonna name this as, I'll make a toys class, or a toy class. Toy. We'll do different toys. So here it's a little bit different. I mean, in BlueJ, it shows class structure very, very well. In Greenfoot, we'll be able to use the actor and world classes. That'll create graphical user interface stuff that we can like play games with. But right now, let's just take a look and see how different this. Oh, what? This should look familiar. I just double-clicked on my class. And then I'm just going to make a toy class real quick. So public class toy. And I make my instance variables. A 0 argument constructor. And then a multi-argument constructor. And then we'll have a toString. So I've created a toy class. This will create toy objects. The characteristics of the toy are just the name and the age. Um, and then, yeah, let's see. So the same way that we did it in BlueJ, we can create this class. We just did it. It looks like exactly the same. All these buttons look exactly the same. And then we can also create a toy driver. So again, the way you do that is edit new class. If you say new scenario, that's just like a new project in BlueJ. So scenarios and projects in BlueJ and Greenfoot, those are like the same thing. And then edit new class. So let's make a toy driver. Double click on that. Clear all that. And then I'll create an instance of toy. So I can say toy, I'll call it toy 1 gets new toy, and I'll use my multi-argument constructor, and I'll name it Buzz Lightyear. And age, since Toy Story came out in 1995, I don't even know if that's right, 21. And then I'll print it out. System that out print line. Toy 1. You can say toy 1 or toy 1.toString. Those will do the same thing. I'm just going to say toy 1 compile. So this really doesn't do anything. I don't have any getters or setters inside my toy class. All I have is something that can create toys. So let's see how to run the driver. You just right click, same way, and run. It all looks exactly the same. Toy's name is Buzz Lightyear and its age is 21. Everything. Like I say clear screen at method call, but watch what happens. So like I close and I call it again and it doesn't clear the screen. I don't know why it's doing that, but if I do go up and clear it, everything is gone, so I can run it again. So I don't know what's up with that, but there you go. It's the same deal. We'll be looking at other stuff in a different video. So there's that. Hopefully that was useful.